Come on, next letter, that is K. This is capital K. This is capital K. And this is small k. This is small k. Capital K, small k. Class, speak with me. K is for king. King means Raja. K is for king. King means Raja. And K is for kite. K is for kite. Kite means patang. We fly kite, class. This is a picture of a kite. And K is for key. Key means class चाबी जो हम ताले के साथ लगाते हैं. Understand? K is for key. K is for cattle. This is a picture of a cattle. K is for cattle. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K is for cattle and K is for kangaroo. Yes, come on, next letter. Yes, tell me what is this? This is capital A. This is capital A. Speak after me. This is capital L. This is capital L. This is capital L. Next letter is L. This is capital L and this is small l. This is small l. Capital L, small l, and L is for lamp. L is for lamp. L is for lamp. And L for lion. L for lion. This is a picture of a lion, class. See, lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Lion क्या होता है क्लास? जंगल का राजा होता है. कौन होता है क्लास? Lion. This is a picture of a lion. Yes. Yes. L for lion. Now L for lobster. L for lobster. L for lobster. And L for ladder. See, this is a picture of a ladder. Ladder means सीढ़ी. This is इसकी सहायता से हम ऊपर जाते हैं with the help of ladder. Now L is for lotus. L is for lotus. Lotus class एक flower होता है. This is a national flower. Okay, this is a national flower. Lotus. Come on, next letter, that is M. M is for mango. M is for mango. Trace with me. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. M is for mango. Mango is yellow in color. Mango is yellow in color. See, this is a picture of a mango. Mango is a summer fruit. Class, mango कब आता है? Summers में आता है. Okay? So, mango is a summer fruit and it is in yellow color. It is in yellow color. Capital M, small m. This is M for mango. Mango is a summer fruit and mango is yellow in color. And M4 और क्या होता है M4? M4 moon. Moon means चांद. Moon means चांद. And M4 milk. So class, M4 milk. हमें क्या पीना चाहिए? दूध पीना चाहिए. M4 milk. M4 monkey. See, this is a picture of a monkey. Tell me, monkey means बंदर. Monkey means बंदर. And come on, M4 class, mushroom. M4 mushroom. M4 mushroom. Now come on, next letter, that is N. This is capital N. This is capital N. And this is small n. Capital N, small n. So N for class, nose. N for nose. See, we have one nose and we smell with our nose. हम अपनी nose से क्या करते हैं? Smell करते हैं. N is for nose. We have one nose. We smell with our nose. हम अपनी nose से क्या करते हैं? Smell करते हैं. Okay? N is for nest. N is for nest. Nest means class C. This is a nest. And for nurse, we see nurse in the hospital. हम कहाँ देखते हैं nurse को class? तो hospitals में होती हैं. So we see nurse in the hospital. N is for nurse. See, N is for net. Class ये क्या है? Net है. N is for net. और ये क्या है class? N is for nails. ये क्या है? हमारे nails हैं. Understand? Now come on O. Next letter is O. This is capital O and this is small o. Capital O, small o. O is for orange. Class, do you know orange is orange in color? Class, orange का जो color होता है वो भी orange ही होता है. Orange is orange in color and orange is juicy fruit. Class, वो कौन सा fruit होता है? Juicy fruit होता है. So this is capital O, small o, and O is for orange. Orange is orange in color and orange is a juicy fruit. Orange is a juicy fruit. O is for ox. O is for ox. Ox is an animal. Ox is an animal. See? O is for owl. Owl means ullu class. Owl means ullu. And O is for octopus. Octopus has 8 arms. Class, जो octopus होता है उसकी 8 arms होते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Octopus की कितनी arms होती हैं? 8 होती हैं class. So is hiding backside of the octopus. Understand? And O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. Yes. O is for ostrich and O is for octopus. जो octopus होता है class उसकी 8 arms होती हैं. So octopus has 8 arms.